Take a slow breathe in and release any heaviness sitting in your chest. Today's message is one of the most important reminder you will ever hear. Not because it is grand or dramatic, but because it speaks directly to something quiet, subtle, and incredibly powerful within you. We all carry dreams, not just the big, obvious dreams like a career or relationship, but the soft ones, the quiet ones, the ones you rarely speak out loud. The dream that makes your heart speed up, even if just a little. The idea that returns at night when the world goes silent. The vision that keeps tapping on the walls of your mind year after year, asking, when will you finally choose me? These dreams don't visit you accidentally. They don't follow you randomly. They stay because they belong to you. They stay because they are part of your purpose. They stay because some part of your soul already knows the future that is waiting on the other side of your courage. But here's the truth. Most people bury those dreams. They tell themselves they are too old, too late, too behind. They don't feel ready. They don't know how. So the dream stays inside, alive, but unexpressed. And that is a real heartbreak. Not failure, not rejection, not trying and stumbling. The true heartbreak is reaching the end of your life, knowing the best parts of you never saw the light. Your ideas, your art, your calling, your voice, your heart's desires. This message today is your permission slip. Your wake up call, your loving push from the universe. Go for it. Go for the dreams that feels too smaller to matter. Because often those are the ones that hold the greatest transformation. Go for the dreams that scares you a little, because that fear is simply excitement wearing a mask. Go for the idea you keep postponing just because it feels inconvenient. Go for the desires you think might make you look silly, because joy often looks silly before it becomes sacred. Every dream you hold, every wish you keeps returning, every desire you can't seem to shake is a seed. Not every seed becomes a forest overnight, but every forest begins because someone planted one single seed. Your job is not to predict the outcome. Your job is not to wait for clarity. Your job is not to wait for confidence. Your only job is to start. Take one small step toward the dream that is calling your name. No step is too tiny. No beginning is too humble. Life is not asking you to be perfect, it's asking you to be willing. Because if you do not go for it, the dream will stay inside you forever. And you were never meant to leave this world full. You were meant to live empty, having poured out every piece of magic you came with. So today, listen closely. What dream inside you refuses to be ignored? What keeps coming back? What idea fills you with warmth, even if you are scared of it? That is your doorway. That is your sign. That is your next step. Go for it. Don't let it die inside you. Let this be the chapter where you finally choose the dream that has always been choosing you. Here your challenge of the day. One tiny start. Pick one dream that has been following you for months or years. Do one tiny action toward it today. Research something or write one paragraph, record 10 seconds. Start the outline, buy a notebook, create a mood board, send one message, practice for 5 minutes. Just one action. Momentum begins in the smallest moment.